Hello, hello, hello. Stuart from Digma here, going to show you how to create a pop-up. One of those really annoying things that when you go to leave a website, it tells you to stay on the website and offers you 20% off your first product, something like that. So in the Digma platform, go to create a product, enter the name and the URL that it's going to sit on. Create a pop-up. In this occasion, we're going to use a single column pop-up for the template. And here we can add, let's say, a title, say an image, put this image in, and also a call to action. There you go. The title, we can put 20% off for first order. Let's start that a little bit. Probably make the overlay a little bit bigger. Go into dimensions, 600. Put some spacing around there. Let's do that. Maybe add some margin on here. Give it some space, make it look nice. Hit save. And now in the rules, you can set it, the trigger to on leave. And on tab, we're not even use the tab right now, so I'll just deactivate that. And that's all done. I hit preview. When I go to leave the website, there we are, 20% off your first order. Pretty cool. Bye.